Here we are at this building in New York. And look, it's got these very interesting monitor fixtures. Well, they're regular TR, but they have these neat plates.
Going up?
Hello, can we join?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Which one?
3. Thank you.
All right.
We had a little bit of sunshine at least today, no?
I know, because yesterday was kind of cloudy. I think
Maybe come closer if that's okay. Perfect. Thank you. We're squeezing in. What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're interested in elevators.
That's cool.
Thanks.
Super cool.
Thank you.
Wow.
I just figured this one was neat because I had like all the little decor on the panel. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna go this way.
Let's get there nice about it.
I like the
Yeah, it's cool. I wish more places used like their because all the companies they offer these custom options, but places are like, no, we'll go with the plain boring panel. We're good.
someone like burned that.
This is like so much cooler, and it makes it neat and unique.
I think we got the wrong floor. Sorry.
Well, these people are nice here. I really like this elevator.
It's also very small.
Is there a brand? No. There's your capacity is 1,000 pounds, not a lot.